Hello guys, you're welcome to this YouTube video. In this tutorial we are going to design something of this sort. This is a flyer randomly picked on Pinterest, so I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how to design something similar. So please, if this is your first time tuning into this channel, I would like you to hit on that subscribe button. Also like this video and turn off the notification bell so that you get notified each time I drop a new video. So right away we'll head to our Pixellab. Okay, so this is our Pixellab workspace. I will go now and import the photo we shall be using as example. Okay, you have to know that the size of this design is 1280 by 1280. Also, let me import the background. So I'll be using this as the background. I could not get something similar, but let me try and change this color. So in order to change this color, I will go to my color filters here. The hue to this one, I will regulate this to and choose a blue color. Seems like this does not have a blue color. In fact, let me just do away with this and bring in something else. I think this is better. Okay, we'll use this. We'll just manage this. Just manage this and see. Alright, this is the color now. I've had something similar to that one. So I will go to my crop. I take this ratio 1:1 and I expand. Alright, so I'll just close this design so that it will not be distorted from its original position. Alright, so I will go to my shape tool now, bring in this white shape and place under. Oops. What have I done? Alright, so let me just repeat the process. Okay, I think this is okay. So what's left next? Let me shift this one down a bit. What's left next? Let me bring in the man of God. So we enlarge and place here. Alright. What do we have to do again here? Let me see if let me just check something here. So after enlarging it now, we reduce the opacity. Alright, see that our own image is too big, right? So what do we do now? We try to ensure that our own image aligns with this one here. Yeah, make sure our own image aligns with this one. Okay, we are good to go. So now what do we do now? We bring in the logo of the church. So this is the logo of the church. This is an image I randomly picked from Pinterest. I'll change the color to white and I place on this other logo. Remember, we are just using this one as an example. Yeah, we want to create something of that same sort. We are just using as an example. Okay, so I will now write the name of the church. So that's the name of the church, Divine Grace Ministries International. So which font will I be using here? I'll be using these fonts. If you don't have this font, you can just go and download and install. I have a video on my channel how to download and install fonts on Pixellab. You can watch the video and download and install this font. What's the name of that font? Montserrat Bold. This is a black, sorry. Montserrat Black. This one. And just download and install. So I'll reduce the size of this. Okay, let me remove this and see. Alright. So this is how it look like. So I want to place those text at the center. So I will click here. Then I check these two boxes, this one and this one. Then I click on this tool. From then I click the relative position tool, this one. So I'll be able now to arrange this at the middle. Click on this to the upper one first. Oops, sorry. Let me repeat the process again. Okay, so I want to send it down a bit. Okay, it's okay this way. Yeah, always make sure you close your design. So also I've joined our Sunday. So now I'll go to my font to type in Sunday. Which font will I be using for Sunday? Let me see. There are so many fonts here. Which one will I use precisely? So this is the font I'll be using. This one, Bright Melody Display Typeface. This one. I couldn't get the exact font used here. Okay, so now I will go to my spacing tool. I reduce the spacing to -5. Yeah. Alright, so it is written there, join our. So I'll type join our. So the font type used here, still Montserrat. I'll use Montserrat semi-bold. So I'll reduce the size and place here. Alright, what again? Family service. So I'll just bring in my shape. Let me remove this one. So I'll bring my shape right. Then now I put it at my own appropriate size. So it will look like something like this. The radius now, increase the radius to 10 or 15 in order to give it a round edge. Okay, so which color will I be using here? I want to pick the color on the original flyer. So I'll go to my color tab, click on color, I'll choose gradient first. Okay, I think this one is okay. This color is okay. This one. So this color, you have two bars, right? This first bar, this face bar. What is the color code of this face bar? This is the color code of this face bar. Just input this color code FFC 107. Then the color code of this second bar is the color code FFEB3B. So just copy those color code and put there. You have the same colors. Alright, now I want to create an effect on that shape, so I'll stick onto my shape. I choose the semicircle. I come here and make sure that it is well fitted on that shape. Okay, so now what I will do now is I will come to gradient. I choose this one, black over white, right? Then now this first bar, I'll click on this color tool beneath that first bar and I regulate this one to my left. I've given it a transparent color. Yeah, so I'll click on OK. That's what it has resulted to, but I want to change the color of this one to white. So I'll click here, increase this to white. Yeah, so that's what I've had there. So I'll just reduce the opacity to, let's say, 60. Okay, see the color is faint. The effect there is faint. So let me put the opacity at 70. Then I shift it a bit down. Alright. So what do we have there? Join us on our what? Sunday family service. So I will put Sunday worship service. Worship service. Okay. So the font, I will change this color to black. Which font type will I use? I'll search Akira Expanded. This one can download and install. Akira Expanded. Alright, let me reduce the color. The size, sorry. Alright. What do we need again? So next we are going to put the days. That's this Sunday 8 AM to 12 PM. So I'm going to put this line now. So I'll just go to my shape tool and I put this line. Okay. Yeah, so I'll copy it and I place under. Alright, so say this Sunday 8 AM, right? So since it is the same font with families with worship service, I'll copy worship service and I put this Sunday. Okay, so all I need to do now is to, let me see something. So all I need to do now is to reduce the size. And I change the color to white. Alright. So I'll copy this and I put AM to 12 PM. 8 AM to 12 PM. Okay, so I'll just increase a bit. I think this is okay. I think we are progressing. Okay, so that's how it's supposed to be. What next? Don't miss this service tomorrow. But before I do the other ones, let me just create this shape here. If you look beneath, you see another shape. I'll just create this. Okay. Okay, so I'll just do this. I'll do a copy of this and I choose a rectangle, this one. So what I will do now, we minimize this one, minimize that, and I will rotate 3D rotate. Yeah, rotate through the x-axis, right? And put here. Okay, so I want that to become one element. So now match the two of them. Click this and this, I check this, and now match the two of them. They are matched now. So I'll go to my color tool and I choose this color, the same color. So let me just change the orientation. Now be from left to right. Alright. So what do I need there now? Okay, let me shift this one down a bit. Alright, so let me input the venue now. I'm seeing venue there, so I'll just come and put venue on capital letters. So the font type, which font type? So I'll just bold this. The font type will be normal. So the color I'll be using here is the orange color. Then I'll reduce to some value and place here. There we see West Hills City. So I'll just put my own venue, a fictional venue. Yeah, so this is a venue I've just made for myself. Remember, this venue is not real, it's a fictional venue. So the font I'll be using here is Montserrat Medium. Montserrat Medium. Alright. Okay, I think it's okay that way. So we have a note here, they say don't miss our service tomorrow. So make sure this one is very small. The font type used here be Montserrat Medium. Make sure it's very small so that I can fit inside that area. Alright, I think it's okay this way. Don't miss our service tomorrow. So tomorrow I will increase a bit. It's too big. Please, if you are watching and you have not yet subscribed, I will give you now 5 seconds to subscribe. To click on the subscribe button, please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's continue. Thank you for subscribing. Let me just increase it a bit. Alright. I think it's not necessary to put those lines. It's not necessary. Okay, so what do we need to do next? To put the name of the pastor now. Yeah, so this is a fictional name. There's no one as Reverend Dr. John Abiko. This is just a fictional name. So I'll change the color to black. And I'll bold the text. Alright. So place this here. Okay, so that's the name of the man of God, pastor. So I think we should just put a line here. You just fit in this line, the line here. Okay. So I'll copy this and bring it down. Alright, so what's left? Let us see what's left now. The only thing left now is this social media handle, Facebook Live. Let me see if I can import. I could not find Facebook Live, so I'll just put these ones, these handles. See why we need to be locking our elements, because they can be distorted from their position. Okay, so I'll just reduce the size of this. Might place here. And I write live. Should be in black. Montserrat black, that's the font type. Oh, I don't have Montserrat black here. Alright, so reduce and I place here. Okay, let me just adjust some few distortions here. Okay, I think we have just designed this simple flyer, and that's why I always tell people, if you are a beginner, what you need to be doing at this stage is to look at what others are designing and try to replicate. By doing so, you will improve on your skill. Okay, so thank you for following up. I'll charge you now to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.